Alright, so first, we're adding a circular progress ring around the profile picture to show the user's progress or activity level. It gives a quick, visual cue. The user instantly feels like they're moving forward or achieving something. Next, based on visual hierarchy, we make the name bigger and bolder than the user's level, and place it right in the center, so it immediately catches the eye. Then, instead of listing everything line by line, each piece of data now has its own icon. Like a crown for the rank and a dollar symbol for the points. This helps users understand information way faster, without even having to read. And finally, we add a simple divider line to separate the main information from the call to action button, which makes the whole layout feel cleaner and more organized. So we just went from a plain, boring profile card to a design that's not only functional, but actually beautiful. And that's what good UX design is all about: communicating information clearly while creating an enjoyable experience for the user. If you like this breakdown and learned something new, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and tell me which part stood out the most for you. And of course, subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials coming up.